Get it going. The key was in the theory of black holes. At the time, physicist Roger Penrose was working on what happens when a star collapses under the force of its own gravity. Penrose claimed the star would crush itself to a tiny point of infinite density, where even time itself would come to a stop. He called it a singularity, the heart of a black hole. I worked relentlessly to see if I could apply the notion of a singularity to the entire universe. Then suddenly, I had it. I imagined going backwards to the beginning, and worked out that right at the start, the universe would have been a singularity too. Here, time stops. You've reached the true beginning of everything. There is no previous time in which the universe could have had a cause. It spontaneously created itself in the Big Bang.
The work that Stephen did basically showed there was a singular state which couldn't have come from a previous universe. So you could say it is a theory which tells you that the universe had a beginning.
I had controversially shown the laws of nature suggest there is no need for a creator or God. The universe just came into existence all by itself. I applied for a research fellowship at Gonville and Keyes College, which proved successful. The money from the fellowship meant that Jane and I could get married, which we did in July 1965.
Stephen was walking with a stick, and he was losing strength in his arms. And we went off for our honeymoon to upstate New York to a physics conference at Cornell University. And there I got to know that a goddess in Stephen's life, with whom I was sharing the marriage, was physics.
After returning from our honeymoon, I completed and submitted my PhD thesis with the help of Jane, who had spent many painstaking hours at the typewriter, typing it up. The findings in my thesis